नाज़रीन, आपको बराह रास्त लेकर चलते हैं। वज़ीर ख़ारजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी मुआशी सिफारतकारी के हवाले से मुनक़िदा फोरम से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको दिखाते हैं।
Why these 30? Because I thought that these 30 are the ones that have undertaken some sort of an activity that, or perhaps, in my view, understood what I was trying to communicate, what we want to achieve through economic diplomacy. I have been advocating this for a while, and let me reiterate it. Aye. In my view, foreign policy objectives cannot, I repeat, cannot be achieved if we remain economically unstable. When we go into this field, I'm also aware of the sensitivities. You know, there are other ministries involved. There's commerce involved, Board of Investment involved, and others. There are other ministries involved. And one understands their sensitivities and one has to respect them. But I honestly feel that until and unless we are economically stable, we cannot achieve what we want to achieve in the realm of foreign policy. Ab iske liye we took some initiatives. In November 2019, in the Foreign Office, we hosted Engage Africa Envoys Conference. The idea was that here is a continent which has a population of 1.3 billion people. It comprises of 54 countries, and our economic footprint is very limited. The kind of goods we produce, you know, Africa is a market that we can sell, and we should tap this market. But we hadn't done much, there. So it's time that we increase our footprint there. So in collaboration with the Ministry of Commerce, we organized the first ever Pakistan Africa Trade Development Conference, and this was organized in Nairobi on the 30th and 31st of January 2020.
वज़ीर ख़ारजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी का कहना है कि महाशी महाज पर मजबूती सिफारतकारी से मुंसलिक है। नाज़रीन, अब आपको बताएं कि सदर मुमलिकत डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी बैंकिंग मुहतसिब की अहमियत के हवाले से मुनक़िदा सेमिनार से खिताब